Automatic buttonhole is definitely one feature to look for if you are planning an upgrade on your sewing machine. The model I have is Innov-is 55B by Brother, and it features one-step buttonholes. First, I just place the desired button on the guide plate of the buttonhole foot. And then I will just remove the existing presser foot on the machine so that I can attach the buttonhole foot. And pull down the buttonhole lever. It is recommended to test out buttonhole types to see which is best suited for your project. And here I am selecting pattern number 49. So I'll input 49 and then OK. And the display alerts that I need the buttonhole foot to be attached for this selected stitch. Please keep in mind that the layer of fabric when testing out these buttonholes are of the same layer and also of the same fabric as your final project. Here I am using a contrasting thread so that it shows better on camera, but please make sure you use a thread that matches your fabric. Buttonhole pattern number 42 is usually used on thin and medium weight fabrics. The reason why it is called one-step buttonhole is that when you're ready to stitch the buttonhole, you just need to step on the foot controller and it just stops when it's done. While this buttonhole pattern number 43 is mostly used on areas that are subject to strain. And lastly, for this demonstration, number 45 is a buttonhole with bar tacks on both ends, and this is for stabilized fabrics. So, aside from buttonholes being sewn automatically on digital sewing machines, so as buttons. So, please let me know in the comments below if you would like that for my next video. Thank you for watching. Please take care and enjoy creating.